Plumbers keep this from you. I inserted a hose into the toilet and got rid of the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and emits an unpleasant odor, you don't have to call a plumber. All you need is a regular hose from a dishwasher or washing machine and an empty bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half using a knife. Only the top part will be needed. Unscrew the prepared bottle and insert it into the end of the hosey. It should fit perfectly, as these are standard thread sizes. Use duct tape to seal the connection. Twist it several times securely. Take the other end of the hose. Cut it to a length of 1 meter. Do this at an angle. This will make it easier to use. Take the prepared hose to the bathroom. It will come in handy for pushing in deep cleaning pipes. Insert it into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's deep enough, stand the bottle upright. Pour a cup of baking soda into it. It has a cleaning and disinfecting effect. Shake the hose to make the powder fall to the bottom. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. It will react with the baking soda, creating a foaming reaction. It will clean the pipe from lime deposits. It will flush out the dirt clogging the drain. The chemical reaction will help eliminate the sludge responsible for the unpleasant odor in the toilet. This action will keep the pipes in good condition for longer, and you won't have to use a plumber's services. After removing the hose, wait for the soda and vinegar to drain into the toilet. Finally, check the water, and you're done. Discover the secrets of the toilet brush that you probably didn't know about. Unscrew the brush and pour some liquid into it. By cleaning the toilet, you'll immediately have a brush with a liquid that will clean the inside of the toilet bowl. But that's not the only hidden function of such a brush. There's also a brilliant reason why it's worth using such a brush to scrub the floors in the bathroom. Such a brush is perfect for this purpose. We're not talking about the toilet brush you use every day. We only use that brush for cleaning the toilet. But there's a reason why it's worth having a second brush. A new one. Such a brush with stiff bristles has another good use. Prepare a container and pour baking soda into it. Add a small amount of water. Mix the baking soda with water to create a paste. Baking soda is a slightly abrasive substance. It cleans stains, gently whitens, kills mold, and absorbs moisture. Dip the new toilet brush into the baking soda solution. Apply it to the tiles, focusing on the grout lines. Begin gently scrubbing them. The baking soda will slowly start to work, dissolving dirt, stains, and killing mold if it's on the grout lines. The brush with such stiff bristles will perfectly remove all that dirt. Leave the soda on the grout lines for some time, then wipe the tiles with a cloth. After they dry, you'll notice the difference between the grout lines. You clean it with soda and the rest. You can see the difference for yourself. You can see which grout lines were dirty before cleaning and which ones are now clean. And it's all thanks to baking soda and the toilet brush. Once a month, I drop this into the toilet tank. Take an empty 500 milliliter bottle and use a toothpick to make small holes, only in the upper part of the bottle. That's very important for it to work properly. Grab a bar of soap in your favorite scent and color. Grate it using the large holes of a grater. Soap has cleaning properties and helps neutralize unpleasant odors. Add the grated soap to the bottle. Now take vinegar, one of the best natural cleaners, and pour about 300 milliliters into the bottle. Close the cap and shake gently. Before using this magic bottle, prepare your toilet. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into the bowl and add vinegar. When it starts to fizz, scrub the surface with a toilet brush. Now place the bottle into the toilet tank. Thanks to the holes in the bottle, every flush will release a mix of soap and vinegar into the water. That means your toilet will be automatically refreshed each time you flush, and limescale and residue will gradually dissolve. This breaks down toilet limescale better than a hammer. Cleaning your toilet has never been this easy. This powder tackles grime much faster than anything else. The result is worth it, so watch closely. Just gather a few powdery products, and the buildup will vanish. Start with laundry detergent. It dissolves grease, softens deposits, and cleans effectively. Sprinkle it generously over the toilet bowl. Next, add baking soda. It's a cleaning hero. It disinfects, whitens, and neutralizes odors. It's perfect for fighting dirt and scale. Now bring in some toothpaste. Its polishing particles help remove buildup and restore shine. Spread the paste around the inside of the bowl. Add some dish soap too. It breaks down grime and helps loosen the lime scale. Let everything sit for about 15 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Then grab a brush and scrub. The lime scale lifts off effortlessly, and the dirt falls away on its own. Flush, and that's it. A sparkling, fresh, and fragrant toilet, without harsh chemicals or hard scrubbing. Use garlic in the toilet to solve an unpleasant problem with just one ingredient. First, crush a clove of garlic using a garlic press directly into the toilet bowl. Then, prepare the toilet brush by securing it under the toilet seat and pouring dish soap over it. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour 1 cup of regular vinegar into the bowl. Vinegar effectively removes limescale buildup and contains acetic acid that kills bacteria and microorganisms. It also neutralizes bad odors, keeping the toilet fresh longer. Scrub as usual and see how it cleans and disinfects. This natural cleaner saves you money and helps the environment. Using natural ingredients like garlic and vinegar ensures you're avoiding unnecessary toxins in your home. Try this method regularly for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective approach to maintaining a spotless toilet. This mixture will make your toilet fresher and shinier than ever. With simple ingredients, you can easily get rid of unpleasant odors. Prepare a large bowl and pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap, which will help remove any dirt buildup in the toilet. Next, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, which works great for disinfecting the inside of the toilet. The next ingredient is 1 cup of vinegar, which effectively sanitizes surfaces. After adding these ingredients, pour in hot water to dissolve everything thoroughly. Pour the ready mixture into the toilet bowl and leave it for several minutes so the active foam can break down buildup and disinfect the toilet interior. Then flush with water. After a few minutes, you'll notice a pleasant, clean smell filling your bathroom. Your toilet will be cleaner than ever, and your bathroom will be filled with a fresh, refreshing scent. This is a quick, natural way to maintain hygiene and aesthetics without expensive chemicals. I pour this powder into the toilet and leave it overnight. In the morning, it's like new without scrubbing. This trick will work for busy people's homes. When limescale, dirt, or an unpleasant odor starts to appear in the toilet, you can wash it off without wasting time on cleaning. It turns out that all you need to do is toss a handful of laundry detergent powder into the toilet bowl. Be sure to spread it evenly along the walls. Leave it overnight. In the morning, use a brush to clean the interior of the toilet and flush the water. The powder has water-softening, cleaning, and disinfecting properties. This simple trick leaves the toilet snow white, and you won't even have to lift a finger.